Hi everyone, long time no see. Hope you have a happy new year and have a good health with your family. Now I'm going to teach business fundamental online. So please get ready the notes. Where can you get the notes? Okay, if you don't have it, you can get it from online. I send you an email, okay, and then you can go to Google Classroom and then use this class code and then you can join my class. Okay, I will provide the link here. Okay, you can have the video, okay, from the classroom. Okay, so are you ready? Yes, some of the class may have learned it before. Okay, so you may skip this lesson. Okay, this is first lesson of accounting. Okay, so what is accounting? From the definition, accounting is the systematic recording and reporting of the financial transaction of a business. Okay, you have to record it, report it. But what is financial transaction? Financial transaction means for the business, they buy something and or sell something. You have to record it, record all the transaction, record all the buying and selling. Okay, but why you have to learn it? Why you don't use your own way? Okay, use your own way to record it. Because it's not, you are not the only one to read it. You have to give others to read it. Here you can see you have to give some internal user and also external users. Who are the internal user in the business? Yes, maybe the boss. Okay, you maybe the accountant. Okay, the accountant may do the transaction and the boss may have to read. How about external users? The most important thing, you have to hand in the financial report to the government. Okay, the government have to read your financial report and then to see whether you have to pay tax, the profit tax, okay, that year. So that may be the external user. So they have to know it, what you are writing about. So you have to learn the accounting. Okay, before we learn it, I'll give you an example. For example, your mother give you money. Okay, your mother gave you 1,000. So how much you have now? Okay, you have now have cash 1,000. And of course you have money, you want to buy something. Okay, you may buy some tickets. Okay, it may cost 100. So how much now? You have only 900. And also you may buy some also comics about maybe also 100. So now you only have 800 cash. And also you may buy some maybe buy suits. Okay, cost 500. So now you only have 300 cash. Is that right? So you have 300 cash, 100 figures. Okay, comics cost 100, and also have a shoes, a pair of shoes. Okay, costing 500. How much your mother gave you? 1,000. Okay, what does that mean? That means capital. Capital is referred to the resources supplied to the business by its owner. Imagine mother is the owner of the business. You is the company, okay, is the business, okay? So the mother gave you 1,000. What does that mean? That means this is capital. The mother give you, the owner provide, or the owner contribute to the business, okay, 1,000 cash. And then what's the mean by asset? Asset means refer to resources owned by a business. What does that mean? That means you are the business, okay? You are the business. So it's a business. You are the business. Oh, sorry, here should be right down here. You are business. Mother is the owner. The owner of the business. So, what is these things? This should be the assets. Okay, this should be the assets. Okay, this is for the business use. Okay, what does that mean? The accounting equation, you have to learn accounting equation. Assets equal to capital. The mother give you 1,000. Okay, 1,000 capital. And for the assets, add together are equal to 1,000. Okay, so assets is the company. Okay, company's things. Okay, anything in the company, you have to add up together. And capital is the owner contribute to the business. Okay, owner. Okay, the owner provide it, supplied, okay, to the business. Okay, for business, it's not figures. No, it's not comics or a pair of shoes. Okay, it should be something like this: land and buildings, motor van, office equipment, machinery, cash. Bank. What does the bank means here? The bank means the money in the bank. Okay, you have some money, but you deposit into bank account. That means you have a business bank account. Okay, the money in the bank. Okay, in the bank account. Accounts receivable. You will learn it in Form 3. Okay, so remember there's something here, but we'll learn it later. Okay, ignore it now. So I give you 5 minutes to do activity 1. Okay, asset equal to, this is the accounting equation. So assets equal to capital, and then write down cash, how much, and then what's that things, 100,000, and then total capital to owner contribute how much. Okay, and then do 1 and 2. Okay, 5 minutes is left. Okay, so check the answer. Mr. Lee start business and contribute 50,000 in cash, and provide a motor van 100 costing 100,000. Okay, so very easy. Just copy it and then add together. Total 50,000. So 150,000. And Mr. Wong start business and contribute 10,000 in cash, 50,000 cash at bank. That means deposit 50,000 in the bank account, and then equipment and then machinery. Okay, very easy. Just copy all the assets and then add together. You will know it. The capital is 100,000. Okay. How about I want to buy also a shoes, okay, but in a limited edition, costing 1,000. But now you only have 300. Then what will you do? You really want to buy it. You want to buy a pair of shoes, okay, but you don't have enough cash right now. Okay, of course you may ask your classmate, okay, to lend you money. Okay, you may ask others. Okay, 1,000. Okay, borrow from others. Then did your mother give you that 700? No. Okay, you don't have money right now. You pay it, and then you have borrow from others. Okay. Borrow from others, that is liability. We call liabilities. Okay, you may call maybe John. Okay, so small. Maybe he got John. Okay, borrow you 700. Okay, so now the total assets is 1,700. But now your mother only give you 1,000. So then you 700. So what is the accounting equation now? It should be assets equal to capital plus liabilities. How much your mother give you and how much your friend give you, and then total you buy the things. Okay, the cost of the things. Okay, so add together is 1,700. Most of the company is not borrow from bank. Borrow from friends. Okay, the company should borrow from bank. We call bank loan. Okay, bank loan. Or we can say loan from bank. Okay. That means the owner, the mother give you. You borrow from others equal to the things, okay, the resources you have in the company. So do activity 2. This is not so strict. Okay, think about it. I'll give you 3 minutes. Okay, time's up. What's the answer? How much is the capital? This is the most difficult things. Answer here. Cash, furniture, machinery, building is all are assets. Total 1,700. Sorry. 170,000. So you borrow from the bank. Okay, you may say loan from bank or bank loan. Okay, 30,000. Don't write down liabilities. You have to write down who borrow from. Okay, who are borrow from. Don't write down liabilities here. Okay, write down loan from bank or bank loan or the one you who borrow. Okay. Then how to calculate this 140,000, 50, 50, 20, and also 20 of 50. Okay, 20. Why? You only bought 50. So you only bought 30,000, but you have to pay 20,000 as the deposit. Okay, deposit. So you have to pay it 50, 50, 20, 20, add together 140, and also liabilities is 30,000. Okay, and activity 3. Okay, easy calculation. Just some easy calculation. Okay, give you 2 minutes to write down the answer. Okay, thumbs up. Okay, here the answer. Liabilities plus capital will equal to assets. Okay, you just calculate. Okay, you may use calculation to calculate. Okay, so today you have learned assets equal to capital, and also assets equal to capital plus liabilities. Okay, something like that. Sorry. Okay, assets you have maybe 100 cash, 200 land and buildings, 500 motor van, 100 equipment, 400 machinery, total 1,500. Sorry, 1,300, and then capital 1,000, bank loan 300. So you may see here. Okay, capital plus liability will equal to assets. Always true. Okay, remember this accounting equation. Okay, that's the end of the first lesson. 好啦，如果你唔係好明我講咩嘅話咧，我用廣東話好快咁講一次啦。好啦，其實咧好簡單嘅啫，你有3樣嘢。第一樣嘢就 capital 即係資金即係個老細 OK 擺喺公司嘅所有嘅錢啦，唔一定係只係錢嘅，可以係啲貨啊，可以係啲機器啊等等，即係佢俾公司用嘅嘢 OK， 我哋都叫 capital。我要將佢變成一個價值出嚟 OK， 所以 capital 係得一個數字嘅啫，唔會有其他嘢嘅，得個數字。無論係擺嘢又好，擺錢又好，咁你將佢變成一個價值，加晒佢，咁就係叫 capital 啦，就係個老細俾嘅。即係好似呢個 case 咧，就係阿媽俾個仔，阿媽就係個老細，俾幾多錢或者俾啲乜嘢佢都好，咁佢要計翻價值嘅。咁啊得一個數字嘅啫 capital OK， 咁 asset 就係個公司有嘅嘢啦，即係個仔買嘅嘢啦，阿仔買幾多嘢，買啲乜嘢 OK， 咁有時你唔夠錢用嘅話，你有機會去問人借㗎嘛，咁問同學仔借，咁嗰啲都係買完之後買完出嚟都係公司嘅嘢嚟㗎嘛，咁佢哋都係屬於 asset， 所以加埋會大過阿媽俾嘅嘢，因為佢問人借啊嘛，佢問人借，所以你要加埋問人借嘅嘢，所以公司有嘅嘢 OK， 公司有嘅嘢加晒會等於個老細加問人借 OK， 問人借嘅嘢，咁呢個永遠都啱嘅，即係阿媽俾咗1000蚊你，同學俾咗700蚊你買咗價值1700蚊嘅嘢 OK， 你冇錢剩嘅咪你冇錢剩咪所有都係嘢咯，有錢剩嘅咪有啲 cash 喺手咯，咁咪好似咁樣咯，有 cash 喺手 OK， 有啲嘢咁啊老細嘅問銀行借嘅 OK， 咁但係啲名你要記住啦 OK， bank loan 問銀行借嘅錢，如果 bank 一個叫 bank 嘅嘢咧？咁啊呢個就係你投放你存入公司嘅，唔係存入銀行嘅錢，OK 屬於公司嘅，即係你公司有開個戶口，咁啊然後將啲錢擺落銀行度，OK 咁啲錢就係屬於你嘅，你可以幾時攞出嚟都得嘅，不過就擺到銀行度，所以叫 bank。OK， 咁真正嘅做法梗係要寫埋邊嗰間銀行啦，Hong Kong Bank 啊、Hang Seng Bank 等等啦。咁但係我哋簡化啲就係寫 bank 嘅啫。OK，咁呢啲咧名呢啲嘢咧唔需要去特別去你去諗嘅，因為個題目俾咗你㗎啦，題目俾咩你寫咩落去得㗎啦。OK，咁啊呢個就係公司有嘅嘢啦。OK，咁呢個就係揸人錢嘅，你當然要還啦，不過遲啲先還啦。OK。咁呢啲就好簡單嘅計數啦。咁啊唔明嘅話，你再喺 Google Classroom 嗰度咧就打啲問題出嚟，咁我就會隨時見到我就會答㗎啦。咁啊有唔明就上網見啦，咁啊 Google Classroom 嗰度打出嚟啦，即係呢度咁啊，你打啲 comment 喺度，我就會睇到㗎啦。咁啊好快第二堂㗎啦。